In primetime news this evening, mother of man accused of murdering teen speaks.
Statin reports economic growth in first quarter of the year.
And public sector wage talks to begin in the weeks ahead. Good evening and welcome to primetime news. We're live on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Anthony Love.
And I'm Janella Precious. A special welcome also to our viewers on TVJ International in the Cayman Islands. Now coming up later, we will have business news, but Jermaine Brown is here with a preview of what's to come in sports.
Well, thank you, Janella. Let's go over to Grenada, where the West Indies, they had a good opening day against Australia in the second test. We'll tell you more a bit later on.
All right, so he said, let's go over to Grenada. So let's go over now to the weather desk.
No, I thought that you were going to say this is where we put in the song, I Believe in Miracles.
Oh, Lord. Oh, Lord. And guess what? Romain Robinson is here with a preview of what's to come in the weather report.
Thanks, guys. No, we don't have any significant changes in the weather pattern over the next couple of days. It's not until about Sunday that we are expecting an increase in clouds, showers and thunderstorms, as we have been monitoring over the past few days.
Thank you so much, Romain. There's also sports commentary and E-Prime in this newscast. But before the break, Log, the feedback question.
And this evening we're asking, does the 1.1% growth reported by Statin give you confidence in the direction of the economy? Give reasons for your answers.
And you can do so on Facebook.com/Television Jamaica and on X at TVJ News Center.
Please stay with us. Primetime News returns right after this break.